Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody was looking through DA fonts and typed distressed, and this is the only one they told me which one they bad pad, and it's just not what they wanted. So they wanted to know where I knew you could find a distressed font. Well, you can make your own if this is something you like. So we're just going to take and using all capitals, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to make it bigger, and we're going to go ahead and make it bold, give it a little bit of thickness. But to do this, you've got to go to, so you need to have all your text written out. We're going to go convert it to a curve. There's a neat tool that I never really use because it's just the opposite of what you want to do. Laser engravers want a crisp, sharp line. But underneath your shape tool is the roughen tool. And you can change it to different sizes. Like let's go 0.5 of an inch and just start roughing it up. And you can see what it's going to do. Well, there we go. I don't know what it was doing. I'm doing too much. That ½ inch is too much. So let's go 0.2. So let's actually go back. I don't know what, I guess I didn't have it clicked. And then you can just, kind of just go along and just go around the edges pretty fast, and it's going to roughen them up. You don't have to go from side to side. I was playing with it a while ago, so I know a little bit about it. I've never really used it before because, like I said, as a laser engraver, in most of the cases, you want roughened or good, sharp, clean edges to engrave. But just kind of go through it a lot. Then there's a couple other tools you can make them. You can go like to 2, but it makes them real little, almost like a zipper effect. And I don't like that. So you can go back to the roughen tool, and this is the dry out, change the number of spikes, roughen area. I think it's going to kind of do that right there, which is kind of cool if you needed it. But I think it's better just to leave this guy on 1. Now, the other thing you can do is get it kind of where you want it. And ironically, if you went too far, you can always get the smoothing tool and kind of smooth them back out. I'm just going over the whole thing real fast. And I wish I would have made a copy of the first one because I'm rounding off the corners so they won't be so sharp. And get it where you want it. And, you can still change that from there. And, you could actually get the shape tool and move nodes around and, change it up quite a bit. But I really think the roughing tool is going to be your best friend because of the fact that it's so sporadic. And if we look at it, left click and right click, you can really tell how rough it is. Anyway, I hope that kind of helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.